Hello again. Severe thunderstorms with large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall are likely across eastern parts of Queensland and northeastern New South Wales today. Yesterday saw damaging storms impact southeast Queensland, with parts of Brisbane seeing over 60 millimetres fall in less than an hour, causing major flash flooding. Some locations saw over 100 millimetres with storms, and we even saw funnel clouds observed near Warwick. Thunderstorms are rapidly developing across parts of Queensland and northeast New South Wales, and severe thunderstorm warnings have been issued for large hail, damaging winds and heavy rainfall this afternoon. Today will be another very active and possibly dangerous day for parts of southeast Queensland and far northeast New South Wales, with severe thunderstorms once again likely. Destructive winds, giant hail and intense rainfall leading to flash flooding are possible with the strongest storms in southeast Queensland. But these impacts will be very localised due to the hit and miss nature of thunderstorms. If you live in these regions, it is essential that you track the storms via radar and listen to all warnings and forecasts for your local area. Further south, showers and storms along the New South Wales coast may tend to rain overnight and during Thursday morning for parts of the Central Coast, with heavy falls possible, which may lead to some minor flash flooding. So it's important to check the latest forecast, warnings and radar before heading out on Thursday morning. With severe and damaging thunderstorms forecast this afternoon, it is essential that you stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings for your area via our website, app and social media. Listen to all advice from emergency services and stay safe.